In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an MSG file without Microsoft Outlook. If someone has sent you an email saved as an MSG file and you don't have Outlook installed, don't worry, there's a quick way to view it right in your browser. First, open your preferred web browser and search for free MSG viewer. You'll see several results, but look for the one from Encryptomatic. This is a reputable online tool specifically designed to display MSG files. Click on the Encryptomatic result to go to their MSG viewer page. Once you're on the page, look for the button that says Choose File. Click that, and your computer's file manager will pop up. From here, navigate to the folder where your MSG file is stored. If you just downloaded it, it may be in your Downloads folder. If it was saved from an email client or transferred from another device, check the location where you normally keep your documents. Select the MSG file you want to view. After selecting your file, return to the page and click on the View button. The site will process the file and display its contents in your browser. Give it a moment. Larger files can take a little longer to load. When it's ready, you should be able to read the message, subject, sender, recipient, and the body of the email without installing any extra software. This is ideal for quickly checking the text of an email or confirming basic details when Outlook isn't available. It's important to know that this site does have limitations. If your MSG file includes complicated content, complex formatting, or attachments, Encryptomatic may not be able to display everything correctly. For example, heavily formatted layouts, embedded images, or certain types of attachments might not show up as expected, or they may not render at all. If you click View and the message doesn't appear, or it looks incomplete, that's likely due to these limitations rather than an issue with your file. A quick tip: before uploading any file to a website, make sure you're comfortable with its contents being processed online. For casual or non-sensitive emails, this method is fast and convenient. If the file is sensitive, consider reviewing its contents carefully or using a trusted local solution when necessary. That's it. A simple way to open an MSG file without Microsoft Outlook using your browser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful how-to guides.